Lagrange points are special positions in space where objects placed there tend to stay in a stable or nearly stable position. At these points, the gravitational pull of two larger bodies such as the Sun and Earth balances the centripetal force required for a smaller object to move along with them in orbit. Because of these balance of forces, a spacecraft placed at these points require very little fuel to remain in position, making them extremely useful for satellites, telescopes, and space observatories. What are Lagrange points? Lagrange points are locations in space where the gravitational forces of a two-body system create regions of enhanced attraction and repulsion. These regions allow a smaller object such as a satellite to maintain a constant position relative to the two larger bodies. The concept was developed in 1772 by the Italian-French mathematician Joseph Louis Lagrange. In this work, he studied the mathematical problem known as the general three-body problem, which examines how three bodies interact gravitationally in space. Number of Lagrange points. In any system of two large celestial bodies, there are 5 special Lagrange points where a smaller mass can move in a constant pattern with them. These points are labeled L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. Among these 5 points, 3 points L1, L2, L3 are unstable, 2 points L4 and L5 are stable. Lagrange point importance. Lagrange points are extremely important in space exploration because they provide locations where spacecraft can remain in position with very little fuel. These points help scientists observe the Sun, Earth and deep space continuously without frequent orbital adjustment. Spacecraft placed at Lagrange points require less fuel for station keeping, which increases mission life. They provide stable or semi-stable locations for satellites and space observatories. L1 helps scientists continuously monitor the Sun and space weather. L2 offers an ideal environment for deep space telescopes and astronomical observations. L4 and L5 are stable regions where asteroids and cosmic dust can accumulate. These points are useful for future space missions, communication satellites and space stations. They allow uninterrupted observation of Earth, the Sun and distant galaxies. About Aditya L1 mission. The Aditya L1 mission is India's first dedicated solar mission launched to study the Sun and its outer atmosphere. It was developed by the Indian Space Research Organization to observe solar activities such as solar flares, solar wind and space weather from the L1 Lagrange point of the Sun-Earth system. The mission was launched in September 2023 by the Indian Space Research Organization. It is positioned near the L1 Lagrange point about 1.5 million km from Earth. The spacecraft continuously observes the solar corona, solar wind and solar radiation. It carries 7 scientific payloads to study different layers of the Sun. The mission helps scientists predict space weather and solar storms that can affect satellites and communication systems on Earth. It provides important data to understand solar heating, magnetic fields and solar eruptions.